Hi, my name is Esther Salami.
And my name is Pius Kadam.
And you're welcome to another episode of Showbiz Plus on the News Chronicle.
So as usual, today we're going to be taking you through another entertainment journey. And then we're going to look at Mohbad's death, which clocked a year actually on Thursday this week.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of netizens are pouring out their tribute.
I do understand, with them because I'm among them. Justice has not been served despite the fact that it's been 1 year, and we all know justice delayed is justice denied. So, the question is, how long would it take? They were saying autopsy, and the autopsy have been done, and still we have the answer. The question that has been on everybody's mind haven't been answered. So hopefully the relevant authorities can look into that. So moving on to the second item for today, which is like the major entertainment highlight for the week, the MTV VMAs
Awards.
Yeah.
A lot of artists.
Nice,
yes,
right?
Yes.
And it was a really creative video, despite the fact that for the
but none of them actually clinch any of their awards.
Yeah, I feel like it's a really great call for
Nigerian artists on that particular nomination. One would have wished that a Nigerian should carry it, since we are like the cauldron of Afrobeats, you understand? But this is going to South Africa, but at least we're all Africans.
We're all Africans,
And then another thing that Nigerian music artists should also look out for is that if you want to stay relevant, or if you want to, dominate the global stage, don't just
produced by Africans or Afrobeat songs. Some of them are actually R&B, some of them are actually pop, but then urban pop. But then the thing is that they are not really known by the global audience. So
I'll contest that thing she said, that particular thing she said. Look at Sabrina Carpenter.
Nigerian artists should just think about how they can, make their songs go global. It's going to be through a collab with
which Nigerian song can you put side by side with Sabrina Carpenter's Espresso?
No,
so it's what we're looking at. You try to have a model of that particular song that we're talking about from the Nigerian scene. Do you understand? The likes of Sabrina Carpenter that also clinched an award. The likes of what's her name again? Megan Stallion, a rapper. The likes of Eminem and all. So we should try to have these kinds of people in Nigeria, not those. In fact, you discover that a lot of upcoming artists these days.
But them songs,
tend
for
to
example,
be going towards Afrobeat.
Them songs are actually very cool too. I feel like there's this, although it's more of R&B and the rest, but I think them songs can contend with some of these songs.
Like urban pop.
Yeah, I mean.
Well, congratulations to Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
I mean, she surpasses Beyonce. Beyonce clinched 25 awards. From the VMAs, and then she got 30 awards. So it's not easy. Congrats. I think she's the highest.
She does a lot of hard work. The girl knows how to do it.
She knows her onions.
Yeah. And so moving to the final segment for today's show, which is top 3 movies for you to watch this weekend. And the first movie we're going to be recommending is, drumroll, When Love Strikes.
When Love Strikes. When Love Strikes.
A very big welcome to all our viewers for the Bet Niger Youth Challenge Cup.
Let me introduce to you Nnamdi, the Titan Okeke. He's in town to sign his next top talent.
2 favorites, Jason Okpara with Ibuku IBK Saka.
All bodies will be on the line. They go through everything plus each in sync. He go blow.
Let the football do the talking.
Ibukwan's refused to fill out his application. $50,000 scholarship to study in Cyprus, and he wants to throw it away.
Bro, see football.
I love football. Die! He'll be at that club till he's 35, no prospects, no education, all in the name of chasing his dreams.
Football is not for the weak. It be game for people who don't get liver.
The prize for this contract is $200,000.
See, what you see there, they do. Oh, push shit. We're going to enter this pitch. I think we come for the wrong hustle.
The next movie we're going to be recommending is Elio.
For centuries, we have called out to the universe, looking for answers. In 2024, the universe calls back.
Bring us your leader.
Hi, can you hear me?
Honey,
Now is a really bad time. Okay. Bye. I love you. I love you. I love you. This is new. No. No, thank you! Whoa. Please state the name of your homeworld. Earth?
welcome, leader of Earth. We are the United Advanced Species of the universe.
I think there's been a mistake.
You're not the leader of Earth?
Sorry for the mix-up.
Commence memory wipe.
No, wait! I am the leader of Earth.
Why is your voice different?
I've always talked like this since I was a kid, which I'm obviously not anymore. But yes, I run the planet.
The trial of Earth can proceed.
Uh-oh.
Until then, as you say on Earth, okay, bye. I love you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. I love you.
I love you.
You're the talk of the communiverse.
If Mom could see me now.
I know what you mean. I ate my mother at birth. But in moments of great success, I regret it.
That's a thing for your species?
No, just a me thing. Everyone was shocked.
And the final movie I'm going to be recommending for you to watch this weekend is Kauki.
इस दुनिया का पहला शहर,
इस वर्ल्ड का आखिरी शहर काशी। कहते हैं कि ऊपर पानी है।
पूरी दुनिया से सब छीन लोगे तो सब कुछ तो होगा ही।
बाकी अगर कुछ है तो सिर्फ कॉम्प्लेक्स है। भगवान एक ही, सुप्रीम यास्किन।
पता है आप कितने लोगों को बचा सकते हो?
एक की रक्षा करने, केवल एक। ये 6000 सालों पहले देखा था। वो शक्ति वापस आ गई है, यानी अब रोशनी आने का समय आ गया है।
एक जान के अंदर दूसरी जान।
आपने अपनी गर्भ में एक भगवान को स्थान दिया है। मैं बचा लूंगा।
हर हालत में रोकना ही होगा। सुबह सुबह ये लड़ाई झगड़ा क्यों बची? कितना अच्छा सपना देख रहा था। हम दोनों कॉम्प्लेक्स में थे।
1 मिलियन यूनिट्स है क्या तेरे पास?
कुछ नहीं बचा। मेरे जैसे कितने लोगों के लिए आप हीरो जैसे। मेरे साथ आ जाओ।
यूनिट ज्यादा हो लेगा क्या?
तुम्हें सिर्फ खुद से प्यार है भैरवा।
इस दुनिया में बस एक ही साइड होती है, खुद की साइड। हाय
हाय।
वो लड़की मुझे चाहिए।
पॉइंट ये है कि मैं ही हूँ जो उसे ला सकता हूँ।
इतना श्योर है?
रिकॉर्ड चेक कर लो, मैं आज तक एक फाइट नहीं हारा।
तुम्हारी जंग फिर से शुरू हो गई है।
ये भी नहीं हारूंगा।
जिसने अपनी पहली सांस तक नहीं ली, वो इतनी आखिरी सांसों का कारण कैसे हो सकता है?
डरो मत, एक नया युग आ रहा है।
So be sure to watch these movies and tell us what you think about them, and also to get more information on the topics and even more that we covered today. Be sure to check our news website at thenews-chronicle.com, and also check our social media platforms. Make sure to like, follow our page, and share with your friends.
Do that right now, so you don't miss out. So that's the size of the show. My name is Pius Kano.
And I'm Esther Salami.
Bye.